Hi, hello. 𝙬𝙧𝙚 here. We create excellent presentations. In this video, I will teach you how to change amount of undos in PowerPoint. Alright, so basically, first of all, we should tell ourselves what is undo. Undo is just a tool that can return changes that you have made. I will show you what I mean. Let's create this shape, and as a second shape, let's take just oval, and as a third, text box, and type something. Yeah, basically, this is a shortcut for undo. And now, if you press these two keys, so Ctrl and Z, that is undoing changes that you have made. So the first click, as you can see, it returns to the first position. The second, the third, the fourth, the sixth. As you can see, it is returning every step that we have made. If you would like now to redo these changes, so use Ctrl and Y. As you can see, if I click, yeah, it's changing. Ctrl and Y to redo. So if you would like to change amount of undos, you have to go to the file, go to options, now into advanced, and here you have maximum number of undos. As a default amount, it's 20, but as you can see, you can type anything you want, 5, but the maximum amount is 150. So type 150, and that's the maximum number of undos that is available in PowerPoint. It may change, but I'm not sure. I think, maybe. That's, the chance is always there's a chance, right? So that was everything in this video. Please subscribe to the channel and like this movie. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.